Taro's new 250-pedal Wing 250 has been launched in Taro Wing's new factory. The price of the new scooter starts from 13,555 yuan for the standard version and 15,555 yuan for the high-end version. In terms of appearance, the RON 250 was personally designed by the European team with a high level of originality. The entire vehicle creates lines like a sports pedal. In particular, a diamond-shaped cover has been used to wrap a dual-matrix headlight on the front, and against the background of paper-shaped blade-style with indicator lights, the front face looks both mysterious and sporty. In addition, golden yellow plated strips are used on both sides of the vehicle, extending from the front of the vehicle to both sides of the seat cushion, and have a color design that contrasts with the vehicle itself, giving the vehicle a beautiful three-dimensional appearance. Overall, the appearance of the RON 250 appeals to the design concept of sports pedals and is quite attractive when combined with the unique sporty feel of the European versions. In terms of configuration, it adopts Taro Ron's newly designed double-keel chassis. Both the high-end version and the regular version are equipped with the popular combination of front and rear dual-channel ABS brakes and TCS traction system. This combination is mainly used in current domestic 250 cubic centimeters pedals. Additionally, the new scooter is also equipped with a front-facing camera and a 7-inch TFT full-color display. Judging by the indicator interface design and the clarity seen in the field, this indicator has good performance. It also has functions such as dual-screen switching, full-screen projection, caller ID, navigation and brightness adjustment. The quality and image are actually quite good. After all, lamps and instruments have always been Taro's strengths. Looking at other configurations, the top-end version is also equipped with keyless ignition, adjustable airbag shock absorption, manually adjustable windshield and box intelligent driving system. Of course, users care more about tire selection. Timson tires are used in the high-end version of RON 250. Friends who are familiar with tires know that the price of Timson tires is not low. In terms of power, the RON 250 uses the Aprilia 250 cubic centimeters water-cooled power platform.